Good morning, students. I am Mrs. Bharti from Christ the King Convent School. I hope everyone is safe and sound at your homes. I am sure everybody will be happy to know that we are starting our online classes from today. I am an English teacher and going to teach English to class 4th. I wish everybody all the best for your new session. I request everyone to listen to the videos very attentively. Complete your work in your copies neatly and correctly as asked by the teachers in the videos. Thank you. Today's video will include the essay Value of Games from your English language syllabus. Here is the essay on value of games. An essay is divided into 3 paragraphs. First paragraph has the introduction of the topic. Second paragraph tells us about the topic in detail. Third paragraph is the concluding paragraph which concludes the topic. We should start the essay with a proverb to make it more impressive. As you can see, I have started the essay with a proverb. All work and no play will make Jack a dull boy. It means continuous work or studies without any rest or play makes a child boring and bored. This proverb stresses the fact that one should have a balanced life. Too much of work or study without any time for entertainment or any other activity will make a person dull and boring. Let me read out the first paragraph for you. Physical development is as important as mental growth. Games help in the development of sound minds in healthy bodies. That is why every system of education lays much stress on games and sports in life. Let me explain it. Physical development. What do you mean by physical development? Physical development means healthy growth of your body. It can be developed, means your healthy body can be developed by getting up early, doing exercises and playing games. It should be especially the outdoor games. It helps in the development of better motor skills. Now, what do you mean by motor skills? Motor skills means good performance in any of the activity that you are doing. Physical development helps in concentration and thinking skills. Games help in the development of sound minds in healthy bodies. It means while playing games, you make a healthy body. And when you are healthy, you will have a healthy mind. It means your mind will work properly and actively. Let me give you an example. When you are suffering with fever, does your body work? Or do you feel like to study? No. So healthy body and healthy mind works together. That is why every system of education lays much stress on games and sports in life. It means study and sports are equally given importance in the school curriculum. Let me read out the second paragraph for you. A person with a healthy body can perform his duties well. Games teach us many moral values like team spirit, cooperation, discipline, obedience, and patience. It also increases the immunity of the body. Let me explain you. What do you mean by healthy body? Healthy body means physically fit to perform his duties. Now, which duties do you people perform, students? You people study, you play, you learn, you help your parents and do many of the physical movements. Playing games is the best way to have a healthy body, and then only a sound mind can reside in it. Means when you are healthy, your mind will work efficiently. It's not that only books give us knowledge. Even while playing games, we learn many moral values like games teach us many moral values like team spirit. It means you're willing and has a desire to play together when you are a part of the team. Why you do that? To win the game. So as you are part of it, you will have that team spirit. Cooperation means playing together to achieve something, that is to win. What do you want to win in a game? Obviously, to win the game. So you cooperate with others, with your teammates. So you learn how to cooperate there. Discipline. Now in each part of your life, any activity you are doing, if you are not disciplined, you are going to suffer. Take an example, just if you are crossing the road and you are not vigilant enough or attentive enough, you can meet with an accident. Discipline means while playing games, you have to follow some rules of the games and behave well, or else you will be disqualified. So you learn how to be disciplined in life. Means in games, if you are not following some rules which are under that particular game, you are out of the game. Next moral value is obedience. What do you mean by obedience? To obey somebody. Obviously, if you are a good child, you will obey everybody. Same way in a game, you have to obey your captain or others for a better game. Rather than being selfish and keeping the game to your side, if you obey others, you cooperate with others, you start liking the game and you start winning the game. And this way you learn to obey. The next moral value is patience. Patience means to remain calm. Either you are winning or losing. You shouldn't be very happy when you are winning, or you should not be sad when you are losing. You will learn how to be patient with whatever comes in your life. You have another game to play? No problem. So you learn patience. It also increases the immunity of the body. Now what do you mean by immunity? Immunity is the ability to avoid or not be affected by any disease. Means your body is fit enough to fight any kind of virus around you. It can be increased. What can be increased? Immunity can be increased by eating healthy food and regular exercises. The third or the concluding paragraph. Let me read for you. Games provide a recreation for the youth, children, and even old people. Now, what do you mean by recreation? Recreation means enjoying yourself and relaxing when you are not working. I know after a long hours of studies, you want some break. Either you want to see the TV or you want to go out for playing. I think you will be more happy if you are allowed to go out and play. And that is the recreation or for a change for you to relax out of your study schedule. Everybody loves to play, right? You, your brother, sister, your parents, everybody. A student must understand that work while you work, play while you play. That is the way to be happy and in full of fun. Now, what do you mean by this sentence? When you are working or you are studying, concentrate and study. When you're sitting and studying, don't think of video games or don't think of the games outside or what your brothers sisters are doing or what your parents are doing. Just concentrate on your studies so that you can get good knowledge and good result in your exams. While you are playing, only play so that you feel relaxed and ready to study afterwards. This is the best way to remain happy in your life. When you balance your life between study and play, not only you feel happy, but also your parents. I hope you understood the meaning of the essay, value of games. Now, value of games, right from the topic itself, you must have understood not only the studies has a value, no doubt, studies has its own value, but games too has lots of values in life, lots of benefits in life. So let me read out the essay once again. All work and no play will make Jack a dull boy. Physical development is as important as mental growth. Games help in the development of sound minds in healthy bodies. That is why every system of education lays much stress on games and sports in life. A person with a healthy body can perform his duties well. Games teach us many moral values like team spirit, cooperation, discipline, obedience, and patience. It also increases the immunity of the body. Games provide a recreation for the youth, children, and even old people. A student must understand that work while you work, play while you play. That is the way to be happy and in full of fun. Now let us discuss about few keywords in the paragraph and how to pronounce it. The first word, physical. Physical spelling, PHYSICAL, physical. Second word, mental. Mental, MENTAL, mental. Education, EDUCATION, education. Stress, 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 stress. Team spirit, TEAM, team spirit, SPIRIT, team spirit. Cooperation, 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 cooperation. Discipline, DISCIPLINE, discipline. Obedience, 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 obedience. Patience, PATIENCE, patience. Patience. Immunity, 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 immunity. Recreation, last word is recreation, RECREATION, recreation. So your today's homework is write the essay neatly and correctly in your English 1 notebook. Learn the essay, learn the spellings properly. Before I conclude my first video, let me inform you about the next upcoming video. It will be from grammar book, lesson number 1, the sentences. Go through the chapter in advance for better understanding. Go through the chapter in advance for better understanding. Thank you. That's all for today. Stay happy. God bless you all.